Let's see some of the features included. Dashboard. Start the day with an overview of your portfolio and receive customized notifications. Portfolio. See all your current holdings and details for each one. Desired portfolio. Create your ideal portfolio and see what rebalancing is required. Pies. Bundle together similar investment and see how the pie performs. Allocation. Get detailed allocation information of your portfolio across sectors, asset classes, and more. Crypto portfolio. Track your crypto holdings, see market data, and compare any two cryptos. Returns. See how your portfolio performs with detailed return analysis of each investment and different categories, and compare your portfolio over a selected benchmark. Dividends. All the information you will ever need as a dividend investor. Calculators. 7 calculators included, such as your portfolio's future value, how many years to reach your goal, discount cash flow calculation, and a live currency converter. Annual reports. Generate annual reports in PDF format with the click of a button and see how portfolio performs over time.